got Parma ham. Hey babe.
Then we can do hair. And this is a machine that puts humid soap in the part in which you have the skin. It's humid to attach to remain wet. And then there is a man that puts salt, that is the salt that comes from Sicily, salt.
We're in Parma, in Italy, and learning about the process of the Parma ham.
Okay, so
Where are you going?
through a ham. There's a lot more down there.
Oh yeah. This ham stays in this room for like 2 years before people eat it. This is where they're applying, what is this called?
Okay, so they are putting the fat, which is the soya, on the meat.
And they do this twice a month?
Yes. Because as you can see, there must be a lot of people for doing that because that's a long and boring work. In a day, they must do 1,000 hams.
So how's this today?
Yes. You see there is a guy that has to control on this side of the hams. If there are some materials, has to control the here. The other guys are putting the fat and the other one has to put the hams on the right.
This is the horse bone?
This is the horse bone. Okay. They use that because it's you can keep the flavor and let it immediately. So the testing is very good. So there are 5 points to put that are near the central vein.
Again?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Great.
So here the 2 veins, central and femoral vein, and the 2 bones, the ankle and the leg. This is a small bone, like this, not bigger.
It's here. They put as well. It's very, very quick. Yeah. And
Because this step is very important, because for beginning Parma hams, the porks must be minimum 147 kilos, but also minimum 9 months old.
Parma steak.
Okay, so the inspectors control if the pork was minimum 9 months old for